introduction, let me first input a prompt so that we can start building using MeDo, and later you could see the built app. Today, I want to build an app that helps to prepare for my upcoming trip to New York. And to save us some time, I've already pasted the prompt here, and let's start building.
Okay, yeah.
Shall I go through? I think I can
Yeah,
just
go through it.
through
Great.
the prompt for you. So the prompt is about me taking a trip to New York, and I want to build an Android app to help me prepare for it. And could you help me browse the internet to gather information on the things to prepare, places to visit, food and restaurant recommendations, etc. Please generate an image for this app for visual effect. So this one covers all the functionalities I want to talk about later today.
Yeah, great. And just a reminder for those who has been late for several minutes and just joined, feel free to scan the QR code on the screen. You can use it to try MeDo, learn more about the product and give our feedback in our community. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so I think I'm going to wait for it to give
Mm-hmm.
me the generate app
Okay,
click
sure.
button.
That's fine. While we are generating, let me briefly introduce what MeDo is. MeDo is a natural language-driven application development platform. It is designed to make app creation much easier and faster, especially for users who have no background of programming. So with the MeDo, users can describe what they want to build in natural language and MeDo can help them turn that idea into a real application with no need to write even one single line of code. So instead of starting from code, user can start from a simple prompt, then continue refining the app through the conversation and an intuitive drag and drop interface. So basically, it makes the user much easier to modify or iterate their product.
Yep.
So in short, MeDo helps lower the barriers to application development, whether you are a founder, a creator, a small business owner, or even someone with an idea but don't know any coding experience. MeDo will help to make it possible to quickly turn your idea into a functioning app. So, can you like walk us through about the product, the website?
Yeah,
How
why
right?
not?
Yeah.
So perhaps do you got any questions for our product right now?
Yeah, if I have no idea what kind of project or design style I want, what should I do? Because yeah, I'm actually a user who have not any coding background, so
Yep.
that must be impressive and attractive for me. Yeah.
So yeah, actually we do got this app plaza as you can see it here.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see all the app cases built by other users as
Oh,
well. We can
mm-hmm.
go through them and see what's interesting
Okay.
in.
Let's try some games, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, this one
Oh,
I've tried it before and it's a nice
another
one.
world.
It's
Yeah.
quite a good work, I would say. Let's try it out. Well, but the internet connection is
That's
not
fine.
so stable.
While we're waiting for the reacting of the internet, should we open another one maybe?
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
try another one.
that one might be too
Oh,
fancy to be open. Yeah.
yep. Yeah, let's see. If you want to play a game, I
Mm-hmm.
think they are quite
Let me browsing
few
anything else.
interesting ones.
Circle
I think
drawing.
this
This
one,
one,
yeah,
yeah.
why not try
What
it?
is this one?
You can try.
Okay, so basically drawing ball. Oh, it's gonna like score my circle I draw.
Yep,
Okay, let me try
try it
one.
out.
It's not a good. Oh, let me see
It's
the
nice. It's
criteria.
actually quite nice.
Completeness, roundness. Okay, let me try it again. Oh, no, do you want to try one?
Oh, why
I'm
not?
a
Let's
bad
try it.
artist.
But at least it's symmetric, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hopefully I can get a good one here. All right.
You were always talented on
Nice.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tried this before at least.
So basically, it's just something like kind of lightweight games
Yeah.
created by MeDo.
Yeah, those are all made by
Mm.
MeDo. And here, let's see. I
Do
think
you want to refresh the page?
yeah, I can refresh it, but let me go back and
Okay.
open it again.
Oh,
Here we
here we
go.
go.
Wait a minute.
Is it? Oh, here we
Okay,
go.
this time it works.
What kind of games it is? Adventure.
Yeah, so it's I'm not so
Oh,
familiar.
there's animation.
Yep,
Okay, let's go.
let's go. Do you wanna
Okay,
test
let me
it out?
try it.
Yeah. Oh, it also got sound, but wow, it's really cool.
Oh my God. That's so fancy.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Maybe this one. Find points. Oh, you have played it before, right?
Yep, I've started it. It's so amazing.
Wow. Good to see you again. The streets see reviews. Okay. Oh, this is the street. Next. Oh, this is where we can buy any like
Yeah.
weapons.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How many you have? Can I spend it?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
This is the only option we can buy. Okay,
Yeah.
let's try it. Oh, yeah. It's smooth.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, just passing through. Marketplace. Right. Okay, it's still state your business and Royal Castle. Wow, it's pretty. I
Not sure which model they use to.
wish to see the king actually.
Wow.
Want to see the majesty of deep breath. Oh, I see.
Yeah. So we can get back so
Mhm.
that I can continue introducing.
This is app like this game's fully developed by MeDo.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's quite nice.
You guys can do a lot of insane stuff.
Yeah.
What else? Like what kind of else kind of the
Can go-
categories?
Yeah, which ones you're interested?
Maybe
E-commerce?
e-commerce? Yeah.
Do you want to sell anything, perhaps?
Not for right now, but I'm more like a buyer.
Cool.
I purchase a lot of stuff online.
Okay, so which one caught your eye?
Let me scroll down. Okay, what is the flavor craft?
Let's see. Flavor craft. It seems like a
Craft your
perfume thing. Oh no, it's
Yeah,
it's about
It's-
brewing. It's
yeah.
coffee and tea. Oh, that's nice. I
and
love
some
coffee.
bakeries.
Yeah.
All right, let's say shop bakery goods. Oh,
Oh,
here we go.
cool.
This website is already alive.
Yeah, I think so.
It's already polished.
Yeah.
Okay. Add cart.
Okay.
Does it
Let's
have
see.
like payment method? You know.
I'm not
Oh, so
sure.
all of those cases are uploaded by real users.
Yeah.
Great.
So we never know.
Okay. Let's
But-
try other stuff maybe. What about coffee? Do they have flat white or only coffee
It's on
beans?
sale.
Yeah, they only sell
Yeah.
coffee beans instead of the actual coffee.
Yeah, they don't got the
Okay.
powder.
Colombian espresso. See this one? Okay, there's also have some description.
Yeah, you can see the brewing guide, perhaps.
Yeah, this is actually a
Yeah.
well-rounded e-commerce website already.
Yeah, that's
Great.
nice.
Should we check it out? What's the progress of the generation?
Sure. Let's see. Or in the meanwhile, if you got any other questions, you can feel free to ask me.
Okay, so actually I have another question. So what if I don't know how to explain my idea precisely? You know, sometimes I just have just like a point, but I don't know how to expand it into a real app or a real prompt.
Oh, we got a feature for that. Let me
Uh-huh.
show it to you. So you don't really need to be a professional prompt engineer,
Mhm.
actually. But if you really want to optimize your prompt, you can actually try our prompt optimization function. Do you got any ideas on your mind right now so that I want to try it out?
Let me think. Maybe I want a app to monitor the frequency of the water drunk by my cat.
Okay.
Is that a visible one?
Monitoring. That definitely is. You have a cat.
Yeah. Do you love cats? I'm
I
a cat
love,
person. Do you have
yeah.
any cats?
Unfortunately, no.
Okay.
How long have you, what's her or his name? What's your cat's name?
He's a like, Russian cat. He
Oh.
got a Russian name,
Mhm.
Bubulik.
Wow. What does it mean?
I don't know. It's like his breeder gave it a name to him, so he has his own passport, and that's the name on his passport.
Okay, wow. So it could be just like this simple, and you can
Okay.
try
Oh,
to click the prompt optimization. So MeDo will do the work for you.
oh, so I don't have to like super detailed on the prompt, and the media will just like a friend or assistant
Yeah.
who provide me any suggestions regarding the idea I give.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
You just need to have an idea and
Okay, let me see what function the prompt provided.
yeah.
Daily consumption, logging, right. Profile management, yeah,
Wow,
because some people may don't have just one cat.
Yeah, they got
Yeah.
one.
Trade tracking dashboard, yeah, right. Clear daily, weekly, monthly, fair enough.
Notification. Yeah.
Oh yeah, refill. That's the one we really need. I always forget. Yeah. Data sharing rate. Okay. Wow, that's really helpful for someone who really don't know how to start a program.
Yeah.
Great.
So that's the function you need.
Okay.
And perhaps, so as a user, you can ask whatever question. I'm not so good at finding what to explain. So do you got any other questions, perhaps?
Not really.
Really?
Yeah, you said you want a cat.
Yeah.
Do you want a cat have maybe what kind of cat do you want?
Okay, that's a good question. I've never thought about the breed,
Uh-huh.
but perhaps I don't even know about the
Yeah, I would
name.
recommend my cat's breed. She's a like Siberian forest cat. It's super stable. Yeah, it's healthy.
That's nice.
Yeah. Okay. Let's check it out.
Let's
Generation
yeah.
maybe have it already down.
I think it's gonna be taking a while longer,
Oh.
but
So you
we can see the code
basically
right now.
oh yeah. Oh, let me see the code. Although I don't know any of the code.
Or maybe like in the meanwhile, I can talk about like the
Mhm.
features we add in the 3.0.
Sure, let's do it.
Yeah. So basically, let me walk you through back here in the main page. So we got a few updates in MeDo 3.0. The first and the best part of this update is we are supporting native app, Android and iOS app generation. To make it even better, we can help you package the Android app and send it to your phone. In your prompt, simply state that you want to build an Android app or iOS app, and MeDo will do the job. The second update is actually general tasks. We are expanding MeDo from an app generation platform to a more general AI workspace. You can now ask MeDo to perform data analysis, deep research, generate images, and PowerPoints,
Good.
even videos,
Oh my God.
and maybe sometimes analyze the web pages. So from market search to application generation, you can actually use MeDo for all those daily options. And MeDo could help you complete the entire workflow without any obstacles.
Wow, that's good.
And the third one is we're introducing the skills that's here.
Yeah, that's the one I want to ask either.
Oh,
Okay.
so yeah, you can use those skills. Like those are the external tools that will help you build your app. And you can use those to build the app. Like you can ask your AI chatbot to use, for example, read this PDF and analyze the data. Or you can even plug in those skills into your own app.
Oh,
Like you
great.
can allow your own app to analyze PDF or even generate images.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you like use any one of them in the prompt you just entered?
Yeah, I actually use the image generation, I would say. I didn't
Okay.
state it like obviously, but
Mm-hmm.
I've used it. I told the model to use this
Okay.
one so that it could
Okay.
generate
What if
images.
there's like I don't find any skills that will fulfill my demand?
Well, you can actually create your own skill, and
Oh.
that's one thing I would just want to talk about.
Mm-hmm.
So even if you don't have a skill you see here, but you want to expand the model's abilities, you can actually click here to upload a like a skill that created
Okay.
by your own. So you
Oh.
can allow the model to do anything as long as you can imagine.
Yeah, I think that provides a lot of possibility for the
Yeah.
applications and
Yeah.
websites.
And so the fourth update is the AI quality analysis. So, but that one, I think I need to try it out perhaps later,
Mm-hmm.
like because we're still building our
Okay,
project.
yeah.
And oh, I
It's
think
almost
we
done.
are, yeah, it's almost
Okay.
done. But before we go into this one,
You're not done yet for
I'm
the
not
new.
done yet. I
Yeah,
think there's
okay.
one more thing I want to talk about.
Sure.
So we will also proudly introduce our enterprise features. So we have enhanced enterprise collaboration, and teams can work together more efficiently, share resources, and manage projects in a more unified way across the organization. And so here we got our app. Let's
Okay.
navigate through it and see what it yields.
It's still generating the images.
This is the one, yeah, this is the
Oh,
image
this
generation
files
I'm
you
doing. So
mentioned.
yeah,
Okay.
basically I think the model just plugged in the skill in my
Uh-huh.
app. So
Mm-hmm.
whenever I open my app, it will generate an image. So it
Okay, that's
takes a,
fine for the sake of
yeah,
time. Yeah, we need to be patient too.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I think I can go through it.
Okay.
Yeah. And oh, great. We can see that. Okay, it prepared a list of
Mm-hmm.
documents and
Oh,
items I need to prepare for this trip.
okay.
Money and payments, and you can use this checklist
Uh-huh.
to prepare all the stuff you want to go
Okay.
before you leave, I would say. And also we got a
Wow.
that's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it gave me the places so that I need to
Those
visit.
images are all generated by MeDo.
I'm not so sure. I can
Mm-hmm.
check the tasks whether it did it or they
Okay.
just browse the internet and
All
collect
right. Yeah,
data.
that makes
But
sense.
it's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Have you ever been to New York
Yeah,
City?
actually, Haran, I finished my undergrad degree in New York State, but
Oh,
it's not in New York City. So yeah, I do visit New York City several times before. Yeah, but all those explore stuff it's generated are all the like the most popular stuff and
cool.
scenarios
Cool. I'll
within
definitely
its
visit them.
spots in New York. Yeah.
Yeah, we can also see
Ooh.
the food. I'm a food lover. I just love eating all those
Oh
things.
yeah, I think what is good is that like it will have a category based on the pricing stuff.
Oh,
I love
yeah.
this one. It's really
Wow.
helpful for like everyone have different budgets,
Have you
maybe.
ever tried this one?
I hope I can afford it in one
Well,
day.
have you ever heard of any of those?
Oh, Xi'an famous food.
Yeah,
You know
okay.
what? Like Chinese restaurant is
Uh-huh.
becoming more and more popular in US. A lot
Yep.
of locals are pretty like insane with like those Chinese cuisine.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, perhaps I can go there to try some CN
Yeah,
food.
yeah. And there are a lot of fantastic Chinese restaurant in Flushing. So maybe you
Oh.
can try it over there.
Okay, sure. Okay, so that's basically, I think, our app. Let's see what search gives us. We can search about things.
Subway tips. Yeah, everyone,
Let's see
every
what it
travelers will
works.
need a tips
Oh,
for
wow.
New York subways. Yeah.
Yeah, you
I
can see
Ooh,
that.
those are real
Yeah,
websites, right?
they
How
give
big,
us,
but
I think
the
there should
font is
be,
kind of
hmm.
blurred out.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think that's a bit of styling issue.
Wow.
Wow, we can actually open those.
Well,
It's amazing, isn't
it's
it?
amazing.
It's just like
It's
15
a
minutes with
really
you.
well developed one
Yeah.
already.
Okay, so I think we are ready to prepare for the next version.
Mm-hmm.
But instead of me doing so, I would like to welcome my colleague Zhanlin to talk about our enterprise features. And let me stop my sharing and
Hand it over to
hand it over to
Zhanlin.
Zhanlin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi everyone, this is Charlie. I'm joining today from the other side of the world, which actually makes this level a perfect example for what MeDo Enterprise is built for. Howran has already created the first version of the app. Now, instead of starting from scratch, I'll join the same project as another team member and continue improving it to V2. This is exactly what I want to show it in this part. With MeDo Enterprise, team can collaborate anytime, anywhere, and while still keeping project permission and resource well managed. For enterprise user, this is important because real business projects usually involve more than one person. A product manager may define the requirements, a designer may improve the interface, and an engineer may check the logic, and a business owner may review the final result. So MeDo Enterprise help team keep the project in one place and continue working together. This version already give us a useful starting point. And then I'll open my collaborated board and I can see, uh, let's wait.
Yeah, it can take some time.
Yeah, maybe due to the internet, we are not in the same
Yeah,
Right.
place. Okay. Oh, I see. So basically, you can see all the collaborators in
Yeah.
the right hand.
This version already gives user a useful starting point.
Mhm.
It has recommended place to visit, food and restaurant suggestion, and virtual content for the trip. So V1 is good for travel preparation. But if we think from the user perspective, there is still one missing step. The app tell me what I can do in New York, but it does not tell me how arrange this place into a practical one-day plan. So for
Mhm.
V2, I want to upgrade the app from a recommendation list into a simple travel planning tool. For this V2 update, I want to add a new one-day plan feature. The idea is simple. The current app already gave a attraction and restaurant. Now we want to help users organize them into a real day plan. The plan should have morning, afternoon, and the evening section. It should include place to visit, food step, and the travel tips, and a simple progress summary. User can should also be able to mark planned item as completed, so the app becomes a more uh, actionable, not just
Mhm.
informative. Let me
Right.
input the requirement now. Now I'll submit this update and may take a little bit of time. So while MeDo is generating the V2 version, I'll step up of the project to walk you through the enterprise feature behind the workflow.
Mhm.
I think the image is generated.
Okay. So for just to jump into the topic, for those who just joined our live stream, feel free to scan the QR code on the screen and join our community. Try MeDo 3.0, and your any feedback would be valuable for us. Thank you. Yeah.
Right. So let's continue. MeDo 3.0 is not just about generating app with an AI. It is also about making AI app creation manageable for team and companies. In an enterprise scenario, the key questions are different from individual usage. In this part, I can see all the project we created with my colleague, and I can manage it, manage the visibility and the teammates. And then we go to the workspace detail page. This page is mainly used from enterprise level
Mm-hmm.
users.
Oh.
At the top, we can see the workspace name and the work ID. On the right side, we can also have credit roles and credit detail, so the team can understand how credit they are used for the track, and they use it more clearly. In the overview section, we can see three key numbers: member count, number of applications, and the shared credit balance. For example, in the workspace, we currently have 3 members, 11 applications, and a shared credit balance. This is important because in enterprise scenario, resource cannot only belong to one individual account, and they should be managed as a team at workspace level. Below that, we have the member list. Here we can see each member's name, email, role status, number of applications, credits required, and operator information. So as an administrator, I can understand who is in the workspace, what role they have, how many applications they are working on, and how many credits they have to use. And this
Yeah.
gives a team better visibility and control. In short, this page shows the core value of MeDo Enterprise: shared workspace, member management, role control, and team level resource management.
Yeah, I felt like this feature gonna be super helpful, especially for those team have multiple team members working on the same one program. So they're gonna have the accessibility of the shared balance and monitor the usage of all those collaborators in the team.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna make the collaboration much more efficient. Yeah, I love this one.
Right.
So, Zhanling, I have a few questions I want to ask. In your daily life, what do you use the enterprise versions for your daily work? Do you use it frequently, and how has your experience been?
Yeah. In my daily life, I mainly use the enterprise version for team-based product iteration. For example, one teammate may create a first version of an app, and just like Howard did today, and then I can join the same project, review the current results, and continue improving it with new requirements. So this biggest value for me is continuously. The project does not start with one person. The whole team can keep working on it. My experience is that it makes the workflow much closer to a real project team process. Instead of sending short screenshots, copying prompts, and rebuilding the same app under another account, we can work in the same workspace and continue from the same project. This saves the time and also reduce confusion.
Great. And could you dive deeper into the team and resource management features? Is there anything you want more to introduce?
Yeah, for team management, the core idea is to keep people, project, and permission in one place. The team can manage member, control which app are visible, and decide who can add or manage the project. This is useful because different people have different responsibilities. For example, a product manager may need to edit requirements, a designer may adjust the user interface, and a stakeholder may only need to preview the final app. For resource management, the idea is make enterprise users more stable and easier to control. In a company, multiple people can use AI generation, app preview, publishing, and testing at the same time. So the enterprise workspace needs a shared resource management, better isolation, and stronger reliability.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Yeah.
what about you, Horan? Like, have you already tried the enterprise version in your daily work, and how did you use it?
Yeah, so basically me and Zhanlin will always collaborate on this, just like we're demoing right now. So basically we build an app together and we can like add different kind of functionalities and features based on what we got and what we want.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Looks good. Okay. Is the version 2
Oh, so
already down?
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and now let's back to the app and check the V2 update. The update is ready. Let's open the preview.
Okay. Let us share the screen.
So yeah. So perhaps I'll continue from this part. Thank you, Zhanlin. Now we have the version 2 of our app, and let me show you the plan, for
Wow.
example. So, wow, that's amazing. We've got
It
this
looks
new
fancy.
feature that Johnny added. It's great. And also, oh, we can click on those
Oh, it's
things.
just like a
So it's the
checklist.
plan that That's
But
pretty.
I would say a 16-hour
It would
would
be
gonna be
yeah,
physical
intense.
demanding.
Yeah, it's intense.
Yeah.
And also, I want to explain one more feature here on this page as we got the version 2. I want to show you the previously I talked about that we can pack apps.
Yeah, I
And
think this is
here,
one of the most important feature in
yeah,
the new version
in
of
the
MeDo.
3.0
Yeah.
MeDo. Yeah, so basically here you can build your app in the build app button. So after we have that one, we can pack it as an Android app or an iOS app. So here for an Android app, MeDo also supports to send it directly to your mobile device.
Wow.
Let's try packing it. But it's gonna take a little bit longer, so it's approximately 20 minutes, and I think we are not going to be able to see it today, like during the live stream. So perhaps, yeah, you can try it out if you want to try MeDo. There's always the QR code. And so, except for this one, I want to also talk about our future plans. So, uh, let me also talk about what's coming next. So we'll present an even better general task ability of MeDo. So we want to also provide a better app experience. Except for this, we will also offer the multi-platform app support. So even beyond iOS and Android, perhaps we can perhaps build macOS. And for the professional developers, we got the database versioning, and this can help you with a more professional database control. And one thing I love the most for next coming version is the skill creation by chat. Right now, you saw that you can create the skills with upload or in the skills page. But in next version, you can try this directly by chatting with the chatbot.
Oh,
So that,
yeah.
yeah, MeDo will create the skill for you.
Oh.
And also we support a PSEO for your website. That way, if you want to try to do marketing, we can support
Wait
you
a
to get,
second. Have a
yeah.
question. What is PSEO?
So it's actually a search engine optimization.
Oh,
That one could help you have more like traffic from the
searching
engines.
engine.
Yeah, for example, if you want to Google their like website, you want to buy something,
The
and
customer can see your
yeah, can see the
website.
page.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. And so I think those are some updates. And actually, some of those updates are mentioned and inspired by the previous users.
Oh,
They gave
yeah.
feedback to us, and so that we have added those new features. And we thank you for your valuable input, actually.
Yeah, and
And
shift
we
back to the
Mhm.
version and give us more elaborate on those
Yeah,
details
why
of
not?
the generated version 2. I'm
Why
really
not?
curious about it. So
Okay, so
yeah, I
maybe you
cannot
can
imagine like
go
like
through it.
and I cannot imagine before that I can generate such already well-rounded and prepared app within just like less than half an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have never saw that before. Let me browse it before try
Yeah,
it.
you've been to New York, so you can see the image generated by
It's fancy.
it's nice. It's great.
Okay, what is this one?
I think that's
Oh, the font is kind of blurred out.
yeah.
We can like modify it, iterate it
Why not?
version by
We
version
can
in
try it
future.
later,
Yeah.
perhaps. Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Pro travel plan. Okay, what's it? What is this one? New York is workable and huge by. Oh, so it's not just like tip. You can buy the Metro card for the package one. I know that one because New York City subway is kind of more expensive. Or as always, it's like $3 per trip.
Oh my God.
So if you want to visit a lot of iconic spots every single day, it's gonna be take a lot of money if you like just purchase once by once. So I think this one gonna be really helpful, and a lot of travelers actually don't know they have the choice.
Wow. So it's
Yeah.
really gonna help me out.
Yeah. Let me see. Trip preparation. Yeah, we've mentioned before. So
Okay.
maybe in the next version, we can edit the checklist by ourselves, right? Yeah, we can just ask MeDo to generates those functions,
Yeah,
right?
true.
Okay, explore.
Explore
Wow,
Times
can I,
Square.
if I click on
I
it?
think you can try. It's just that the
Oh, it's also have a
does.
weekday morning too.
Oh,
Yeah, I think this reminder is quite helpful and it
mhm.
actually differentiate from like those other trip planning plans. So they actually won't tell you about those like tips,
I see. Yeah, those
local
gonna be
stuff. Yeah.
useful for me, I think.
It's
Times Square is
yeah, it's some personalized stuff. Enter yeah for the most. Oh yeah, you know what? Central Park is super big. So if you entered with a wrong entrance, it takes maybe 2 hours for you 2 hours walk
wow, it's that huge.
yeah to find the
Uh,
I think the most iconic one is the lake.
uh-huh.
So if you entered on the other side of the park, they're gonna take maybe more than an hour's walk. So
Wow,
yeah,
it's
this
not
one is helpful.
okay.
Okay,
Saves
let me
me
see.
from
Empire State Building. I haven't been Empire State Building before. It's always crowded,
okay.
and hard to like make the appointment.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, I wish I could.
Storms,
Yeah.
crowds.
Is there any iconic spots that you really interested in?
Think the one I've heard about the Met, the Metropolitan.
Okay, yeah, here we go.
Okay, here we go.
The rooftop garden offers free admission with I don't even know that. I
Okay.
have been this museum for 3 times.
Wow.
Yeah, I will definitely try it next time.
Sure.
And for the student, don't forget to bring your student ID card. You can get
Oh.
discount for the ticket.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Let me see. Highline. Yeah, one word
Thanks.
Trade Center.
Oh.
Great. Yeah, I see. Yeah, it almost covered the most like important and popular stuff in
Yeah.
New York City. What about the
So,
mm-hmm.
yeah, sure, the food. I was talking about I was
Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think we already covered this before.
Yeah, it's not too much, but
Yeah,
I'll try.
maybe
Yeah.
I think maybe for next version we can ask the MeDo to add in the function to allow users to add on anything they want to try in.
Perhaps the food category. the cuisine.
But the app haven't browsed for
Mhm.
before them. Yeah.
Sure. And what about the
Okay.
new feature, the plan?
Yeah, this is really a really helpful features for someone like me. I always don't know what to do when I arrive a new city, and I was always too lazy to make a plan. Yeah, I
Okay.
think it was like frustrated for me to browse multiple websites or maybe ask a lot of different kinds of people about the plans because everyone have different feelings and opinions, right? And yeah, I think this is the one really helpful for me.
Let's go through one of them.
Okay, for me, I won't wake up until noon.
Okay, even
during
during
travel.
your trip. Okay.
Yeah. But let's see it.
A bagel.
Bagel. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I will try it. New York bagel is always the best.
Well,
Brooklyn Bridge Walk. Yeah. If I finish it, just check it. Central Park. Yeah. Right. The lake. Yeah. Just as I mentioned. Afternoon. Yeah. He in this app scheduled the pizza for us. Okay, great. Metropolitan Museum. Yeah, Times Square. Yeah. Times Square is always the prettiest during the sunset time. So you can basically see the city view along with the sunshine. Makes you feel like you're standing at the middle of the earth.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's amazing, but it's gonna be crowded, isn't it?
True. It's always crowded,
Yeah.
even during the midnight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair.
Okay, for the night stuff, top of the rock and the sunset. Yeah, but I was like anyone who goes through all the checklists for the plan, they don't have any other energy to do other stuff after all the stuff.
Perhaps, yeah, it's an intense plan, I would say.
Yeah, but we can like adjust it based on your own needs and demand, right? Okay. What's the search one?
The search one was previously the one we want to know about. Let's see. New York City weather.
Oh.
So it's just like we've previously
Yeah,
had
you
here.
can also give the users a heads up
Yeah.
for the day of the weather. Oh yeah, let's see
And
how.
actually, I think MeDo got a weather acquisition skill that I could
Whoa.
use. Like, so later in our other versions, we can actually add that directly into our app and use it
Yeah.
even better than having
Yeah.
to search.
So like this one is actually one of the favorite feature for the app. Oh, sorry. Yeah, because already provide all the website provided is the real one, and you can just it's like all-in-one app.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's nice. It's great.
yeah. Maybe for the next version, we can ask the app to give maybe suggestion and maybe what are you gonna wear or what are you gonna
Yeah.
take based on the weather today.
Umbrella.
Yeah. If there's a raining, you're gonna need to bring an umbrella.
Yep.
Great. Oh,
Okay,
that's
I think
impressive.
that's all for our. Let me check whether we got the app built already. If we
Okay.
got luck, yeah. As
Oh,
you can see, it's already like
can we save it?
packaged.
Let me.
And you can like if you're using an Android phone, you can scan to install it.
What?
You
Okay.
can also try to download it, the APK version
Okay.
directly to your computer.
Is there any This is already the preview, right?
Yeah, that's the
Okay.
preview. So basically that's it.
Okay,
That's
I want to
all.
try the app by myself.
Sure.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, so yeah.
Yeah, I think.
What if I want to modify any part
Oh,
of the?
wait, we didn't really click into those food. We can actually see
Oh
the,
yeah, so
yeah,
must try.
let's try.
Oyster
Have you
platter.
tried this one?
No, not really. I haven't heard it
Okay.
before.
All right.
There are too many like countless incredible restaurant on Manhattan.
Okay.
So yeah,
So
I wish I could have tried them one by one.
what was your favorite dish? You got any?
Yeah, I have some recommendation. There's one Thai cuisine, but it's a like fine dining restaurant
Oh,
just opened at the end of last year. I think its name is Jaili.
Jay.
It's located at the next to the K-Town.
Okay.
It's really good. I love the steak over there. It's one of the
Sure.
best I have tried in this country.
Okay, sure. Oh, I'll definitely gotta visit that one later
Okay.
on.
I want to go back to the homepage. I still have multiple questions I want to ask.
Yeah.
All right. Because I just mentioned there's also a deep build features on the left
Yeah,
corner.
you
What
can
else do you have?
see. We also got fast build.
What's
So
the differences?
what's behind the scene is actually we're using different type of models. So for the fast build, we're using a smaller model that could like make the app building a bit faster, and deep build might focus more on the quality. If you got more time, I will personally recommend using deep build for the app quality. But if you are a bit rush on time or you're just doing some small bug fixes, you can try the fast build. And you can always switch behind those modes like in your next prompt. So it's quite easy if you want to try to minimize your time spent.
Okay. Oh, I see. Have you like have any like coding stuff recently coming out from your mind or any interesting topic you have?
I would want to build, let me see. So for me, I think I want to try to, why not? Let me try to build, I want to build an app that is, that could help me. Maybe make a movie list. I want to know what type of movie I want to try. So perhaps let's try the optimization. Okay, but
Yeah, this one is
perhaps
good.
I'm not going to build it today.
Yeah, the
We
second
don't
time.
really got the time for it. So yeah.
Yeah. You know what? Like we just ended one of our biggest hackathon recently.
Oh wow, is it this one?
Yeah, it's the one we mentioned.
Yeah.
Jalen, do you want to go deeper into this topic?
I can stop sharing.
Maybe there's internet stuff.
All right, okay, yeah. So like in the future, the MeDo will hold like the regional hackathon around the world, and we everyone can keep an eye on our social media. Yeah, like that.
Yeah. I think I remember like the one just ended on DevPulse is quite popular. It's much like there are a lot of attendance than more than our expectation, right? How much teams do you have, or how many people do you have?
In the North South Pacific, we will have like a few like 1 or 2 thousand students and the developers will
Oh.
joining us.
Yeah. And there's some more events coming up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, for everyone who interested in our product, please stay tuned on our website about all those coming up events. And yeah, I think that's almost for today. Thank you, Haoran and Zhanling, for the demo and walkthrough. And thank you everyone for joining today's MeDo 3.0 live stream. Today we saw how MeDo 3.0 can help users build applications from a simple prompt, improve projects with general tasks and skills, and run AI quality checkers, and move toward a more complete app building workflow. So, before you leave, please scan the QR code on the screen and try MeDo 3.0. We won't disappoint you. And join our Discord community. Share your feedback with us. So, MeDo is still evolving, and your feedback is very important to us. And thank you again for watching. Thank you again for our team members. And we hope to see you what you build with MeDo 3.0. Bye bye, everyone.
Go. Bye.
Hi, everyone.